Dear students, today we will discuss about type 4 creative questions of the chapter 6 fraction exercise 6b. This is our fourth lesson. Before starting, I would like to say if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let us start the problem. 1/6 portion of a pole is in mud and half portion is in water and the remaining portion is above the water. The length of the portion above the water is 2 meters. First question. In total, how many portions of the pole are inside the mud and into the water? B. Find the portion that remains above the water. C. Calculate the total length of the pole. D. Find the length of the pole inside the mud. E. Find the length of the pole inside into the water. Let us start the solution. Solution A. They are asking to find out the a portion of the pole inside the mud and into the water. So we have to add this two portion. So if we want to add this two fraction, look, here is denominator 6, here is denominator 2. So different denominator, we have to make equal denominator. For this we have to take the LCM of 6 and 2. LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. So this denominator is always 6. We have to make this denominator 6. That's why multiply both of the portion, both of the part by 3, then you will get 3 by 6. Now both fractions denominator are 6, so we can add them. So the denominator of the summation or denominator of the addition will be 6. Now add the two numerators. So 1 plus 3, that is 4. So we are getting 4 by 6. Now divide both of the part by 2, then we will get the reduced value 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the total portion that are inside the mud and into the water of the pole. Now B. The portion of the pole above the water is, let think the total portion is 1. Then we subtract 2 by 3, the portion inside the mud and into the water from the total. Then we will get the portion above the water. So subtract 2 by 3 from 1. So look, here we are taking 2 portion out of 3. So 1 means 3 out of 3. So 1 portion means taking whole portion. That means 3 by 3. So now both of the fractions denominator is same. So denominator of the difference will be also 3. Now subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 1/3 portion is actually above the water of the pole. Now see. According to the questions, the portion above the water is 1/3. We are getting this thing from B, and this portion's length is given that 2 meters. So according to the question, this portion 1/3 portion of the pole that is remain above the water is actually 2 meters. So one or total portion means we have to divide, then divide 2 by 1/3, then change the division into multiplication, then take the reciprocal. That means change the denominator in numerator, that is take the opposite fraction. That is 2 multiplied by 3, that equals to 6 meters. So total length of the pole is actually 6 meters. Now D, they are telling us to find out the length of the pole inside the mud. So total length is 6 meters and inside the mud there is 1/6 portion. So take 1/6 portion of 6 meters. That means 6 multiplied by 1 by 6 equals to 1 meter. So length of the pole inside the mud is actually 1 meter. Now accordingly, the length of the pole into the water will also be half portion of the total length 6 meters. That means 6 multiplied by half, that is 6 by 2 equals to 3 meters. So length of the pole into the water is actually 3 meters. Now I am going to give you a similar type question for your practice at your home. If you get any trouble, you write the comments to the comment box in YouTube. I will try to solve. For annual sports competition, a bamboo was colored with green by half portion, colored with blue by 1/3 portion, and rest of the length 2 meters was colored with yellow. First question. In total, how many portion was colored with green and blue color? B. How many portion was colored by yellow color? C. Find the total length of the bamboo. D. How many meter of the bamboo was colored by green color? E. How many meter of the bamboo was colored by blue color? So this question is very similar like the previous one, like the pole problem. So practice this at home, and if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.